So, Lawrie, how was tennis?
It was so awesome, Mom. I was awesome. I'm the best.
So you had a win?
6-love, 6-love. I was so good. Want to hear about how good I was?
Sure, why not?
There was one game where I was receiving, and I was love 40 up. The guy finally got to serve in, and I smashed it back right at him. There was nothing he could do. He was totally outclassed, because I was so good.
That's great. I can tell how pleased you are. Was the other player highly ranked?
He was 8.
You played that well against the player ranked 8. That's terrific. It will really help improve your ranking, too.
No, Mom, he wasn't ranked 8. He was age 8. When I smashed the ball at him, I think he might have even cried.
Oh, Lawrie. You were not supposed to play like that against a little kid.
He had a tennis racket. I had a tennis racket. I followed every rule of the game. It's not my fault I'm so much better than him.
You were not supposed to just smash balls at little kids. I don't care what the rules say.
It's a competition, Mom. And I won.
I really think you should stop talking now.